Once there was a man who left Jerusalem to travel to Jericho. Along the way, robbers attacked him. They beat him, they took his money and clothes, and left him lying in the hot sun, half dead. It just so happened that a Jewish priest was traveling the same way. A little later, he came to the place where the injured man was lying. Quickly, he looked away. He may have thought, "Oh no, that man's in great pain. I can't tell if he is a Jew or not. I better hurry on." And the priest crossed to the other side of the road and went on his way. Soon a Levite who worked in the temple came by. Curious, he stopped to look at the wounded man. Poor man, he may have thought. He looks terrible. I really ought to help him, but I don't want to get involved. I wish that I had not come this way. Surely someone else will help him. And the Levite hurried down the road. It wasn't long until a Samaritan came by. The Samaritan felt sorry for the poor man and stopped right away to help him. He gave him water. He put medicine on the man's wounds. He gently helped him up on his own donkey. Carefully, he took the injured man to the nearest inn, where he stayed with him through the night. In the morning, he gave the innkeeper money to take care of the hurt man. "Let me know if that isn't enough," said the Samaritan. "I'll gladly pay you more when I come this way again."